Party here, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a classic top hat with Blender and Paint.net. So first you want to download Blender and Paint.net. So first in Blender you will want to just delete the cube by selecting it and pressing X and deleting it. Second thing, you want to add, and then you want to add a mesh and a cylinder. Use the scale tool to scale it to a thin size, so something like this. And then you want to just copy it and paste it with Control C and Control V. Now you want to bring it up a little until it's like perfectly layered. And then you want to use the scale tool again, and make sure you're selecting the cylinder 0.001, and then press S. Now you can scale it like this. You see how my mouse is moving, so you can scale it like this. Scale it a little bit deeper. This is not like the main top thing, so don't do it too low. So just do something like around this. Now next you want to click on it again and copy and paste it again. So like that. Now move it up a little so it overlaps. And then do the exact same thing, but like a really little bit. So that thing will be the band. And now you might want to just do something like this. It might look better now if you just... Okay, what you can do now is make it go up. Remember that it's gonna go down also, so just make it sideways so you can actually like see how much it is. So do that, and now like put it back up there. Now you just look at it from the side, see if you like it. So if you like it, then you can just go to the texturing part. But I want to make my band a little bit bigger, so I can just raise it up a little and just make it bigger. Now for texturing, you want to click on this option. So this will make it so that it shows the texture. And then you want to go to Paint.net and put in any colors of your choice. So I want to do something like black. So you don't have to make it like a baked texture. You don't have to make it like a texture pack or anything, because you won't like really need to do that. So after you've done that, do your next color. So I'll just make a new rectangle. I'm gonna make that red. This is the two colors that I want. But if you want to do other colors, then you can do that. So just make it like a grid or like a rectangle, and then just save it. And just save it into your download. So I will name it TopHat. PNG and save it. I think I already have that. So what I will do is, you can just do TopHat, but you can put the band, or like you can just put banded after it and just save it. Yep. Save. Okay. Okay. Now that's done. We can go back to Blender. Okay. Go to UV editing, and then wait. You go back to layout for. Select one of these. So I'm just gonna select that one. Go to the material thing. Click new, and in the base color, click this yellow dot, and then do image texture. It will sometimes not work, so just to remind you, just do it for all of them. Image texture and image texture. So now you want to click on this one, and then UV editing. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, you also need to do something. Go back to layout, do this, click open, and then I'll go to my downloads, and then I'll just do TopHat blended PNG, open. Okay, now it might look weird, but don't worry about it, just keep on doing it. Open, downloads, blended, open image. This one, open, downloads. TopHat blended image. Okay, it will look very weird, but don't worry about it. Just click on one of them, go to UV editing, and you'll see this thing. So now, you want to just grab all of it and shrink it down, and then move it up, or like move it to any texture you want. Just scale it so it can fit into your texture. So now, this is completely black now, as you see. It is now completely black. Now go back to layout, click on this, UV editing. I'll select all of it, and I will scale it down. And this one, because it's the band, I will move it down. So now it's completely red, as you see. Now we want to do that for all of them, so I'm just gonna do that. That one I'll do up there. Oops. Accidentally. Okay. Now layout. Now you get your TopHat. So we're not done yet. So you want to do that. Shade smooth, and it will look kind of better. You sometimes, if you want to edit it, you want to like name it so that you can easily change it and stuff, like, so you just make it like tidy. Yeah, so that's how you make a classic TopHat. So please subscribe and see you next video or shorts, I mean. Bye.